Alright, today we're going to do a project for St. Patrick's Day. Let's get started. Here goes tips. These are the materials that you need. A printout of a Shamrock, transparency paper, tissue paper all types of grades, scissors, a marker, Mod Podge, and a brush. First thing we need to do is trace the Shamrock on the transparency paper. Then we're going to cut some tissue. You want to cut it into small pieces. We're going to cut all 3 colors of green. Once we have our pieces cut, now we're going to start putting Mod Podge on the Shamrock. Then adding the tissue. You want to work slowly, and they have to be flat in order to put them on, and not on top of each other. Don't create thick layers. Remember, we want the sun to shine through this. Then we cut out the Shamrock. And it's ready for the window. Now we're ready to add it to the window. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.